Hi everyone. So this video we are dedicating to morning sickness and to those poor babies out there who are suffering at the moment with morning sickness. So morning sickness, just a bunch of raging hormones in the body. It's usually just happens maybe for the first trimester. Some women it goes all the way through the pregnancy, and my heart goes out to you guys. But hopefully it's just confined to that first trimester. But there's a few different ways that essential oils can support you through this period. So the first one, the best way to use the oils to help with morning sickness is in your diffuser. So if you have a diffuser or you get one, make sure it's got a timer. You can set it for 1 hour, put it by your bed, and as you're going to get into bed, you can use a blend in the diffuser and let it diffuse into the air while you're asleep, and it will work its wonders on your brain and helping to settle those hormones and settle the nausea while you're asleep. So the blend for that, we're going to use spearmint oil. So spearmint is a fantastic stomach settler, and because it's a different properties to peppermint oil, it's safe to use during pregnancy. Peppermint is one to avoid when you're pregnant. So 2 drops of spearmint oil in the diffuser, along with 2 drops of ginger. So ginger, as I've spoken about previously, great stomach settler, fantastic for nausea. So 2 drops of ginger. And then because it's nighttime, you're about to go to bed, I'd put also 2 drops of lavender just to help with your sleep and to help with settling any anxiety you might be feeling in this important first trimester. So there's a great blend for your diffuser when you go to bed. Another way that you can use the oils, get some pure lemon essential oil. This has been proven in clinical studies to actually help with reducing morning sickness in pregnant women. So all you need to do with your lemon is put 2 drops on a cotton ball or on a tissue and just inhale it directly as soon as you start to feel nauseous. If you have an inhaler or you want to get one, you can use that as well. But yeah, very simple, and just keep breathing it in as often as you feel those waves of nausea to try and stave it off and hopefully won't progress it to actually being sick. So lemon essential oil, fantastic for that. And then a quick little blend that you can also make. So cardamom oil is a fantastic stomach settler. Now obviously if it brings up any memories of bad curries or anything, because it's a very common spice in curry, leave it out. But cardamon's fantastic for the stomach. It's not to be used on the rest of the body during pregnancy. It is too strong for that, but it's fine in this blend that we're going to use. So just 1 drop of cardamom oil, 1 drop again of ginger, our favorite, and then 1 drop of grapefruit as well. Or you can substitute any of those oils out for 1 drop of lemon if that's what you have. But cardamom, grapefruit and ginger is a beautiful blend. 1 drop of each into 10 mils of a base oil, and that can be whatever base you have, if it's olive oil, if it's coconut oil, if it's sweet almond, whatever you've got in the house. Blend those together and then rub a couple of drops of that blend into your wrists, into both wrists, and you can inhale it from there. That will also help with settling your stomach. So good luck for those of you suffering. I really wish you all the very best. If you're uncertain about anything I've mentioned in this video, or you want to talk a little bit further about your specific pregnancy and issues, please contact me. There's the Facebook group Blends by M where you can direct message me. There's also the Instagram page Blends by M where you can message me as well. And if you want to have a consultation and have me make you specific blends for your pregnancy, jump on the website blendsbym.com and you can book a consultation there as well. So best of luck, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we are going to be talking about stretch marks, the great evil of pregnancy. And it's not just for how to avoid stretch marks, but how to deal with them if you get them. So look forward to seeing you then.